G'day folks, James from Fixit Fingers here. I've got a brand new dust extractor in the shop and my friends at Carbatec would like me to answer the question, who is this machine for? This is the DC-F500, 500 cubic feet per minute, which probably just sounds a little bit cooler than 14.2 meters per minute. It is the smallest dust extractor that Carbatec sells, the baby of the range, and for my tiny workshop, it's pretty much all I can fit in here, at least for now.
All I really need it to power is my beautiful CTS table saw. Now, of course, the CTS was given to me by the good folks at Carbatec, but this I chose and bought with my own money, and today we're going to set her up, hook her up, and see how it runs. However, I didn't just get the base unit, I also got the upgraded filter. This guy is vastly superior to that. I think it's a 1 micron filter instead of a 5 micron filter, and it just looks a lot more sexy and professional too. It's got the dust bag and fittings and things in here. We'll set this up together, up on the wall. Let's have a go.
We'll cover how to set it up both ways, with the standard bag and with the upgraded pleated filter. And I'm only going to very quickly run you through it here today. If you head over to my channel, Fixit Fingers, you can see some more detailed instructions on putting this guy together. In all honesty, it's pretty foolproof. The instructions are excellent, and it will only take you a few minutes to get it up and running. Screw on some wheels, add a handle, attach the dust bag to the grated connector, and you're pretty much good to go. This is a 4-inch or 100mm dust extractor system, 1 horsepower. It's no noisier than your average shop vac, in fact I think it's a bit quieter. And it is designed for dust. I'll have to stress that. You cannot suck up shavings or larger objects that will come off a planer, otherwise you will clog up that grating and you're having a bad day. But it does weigh a bit, 20 something kilos. Be careful moving it. If, like me, you were going to run it on your CTS table saw, you will need this step down collar to the 2/4 connector at the back of the machine. And you will of course need some ducting. I opted for the 4-inch dust collection kit from Carbatec as well, obviously. Comes with flexible hose, some blast gates, and a few other little bits and pieces too. As a quick demo, this is what my dust collection used to look like. Yeah, it makes a mess. I only had a shop vac, and would spend a lot of time sweeping up. So with the new system all hooked up, let's give it a test. Beginning with the standard bag, using it as a mobile machine like this was pretty good. You can wheel it around the shop out of the way. And while this is a job site saw and it threw some dust out the back, out the front, there was none to be seen. But I don't want it on the floor, I want it on the wall. So I quickly knocked up this lovely cleated hanging system. And you could call that a day done. One baby dust extractor installed. But I really don't like that bag. So let's remove it. Switch out the gasket. And attach the pleated canister. This has several advantages. Not only is it 5 times more effective at filtering out fine dust, it has these brushes on the inside which make cleaning it very easy so it will not clog up, and the clear collection bags mean you'll be able to see whenever you are getting full, whereas with the other one, you're going to chalk it up all the time. Plus, that bag is impossible to empty and keep clean. Just do yourself a favour, buy the pleated filter, you'll thank me for it. My ducting was very easy. I'm only going to use 1 wide junction and the flexible piping, a couple of blast gates, and a quick test with a scrap of shavings. Don't let it go, just demonstrate the airflow. One of the cool things that came in the ducting kit was this floor sweep. So I decided to hook that up as well, so I can sweep away all my troubles. That's good fun. After you're done, turn this handle to clean it off, and we're looking good. So who is this machine for? Well, as you probably guessed, if floor space is at a premium, then this machine is for you. Hanging on the wall is a massive advantage for tiny workshops. If you need something mobile that you can roll around, then this machine is for you. If you're only going to be using things like a table saw, this machine is for you. If you are going to be doing something that generates chips instead of sawdust, like a thicknesser or a planer, this machine is not for you. It will clog up. You need the 2 horsepower, larger floor standing model, which conveniently Carbatec also sell. For me, it's going to handle most of what I need it to do, and I've still got my little blowgun to clean up at the end of the day. This is James from Fixit Fingers. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the DC-F500, available now on the Carbatec website. Catch you next time.